Okay, it's the first day of April 2019 and the motorcycle has been put away for the winter. I am just going to do this video to show you how remarkably this thing is going to start. It hasn't been run since last October. I took the battery out of it. I just took the battery out of the basement, charged it up, screwed it in. We're going to get it started. I'm going to turn the key over and let it run for a little bit with the switch off just to fill the bowls with gasoline, and I bet it's going to start right up. Let's see. Alright. Okay, here goes. See, choke on, run. And that's why I can never justify buying a new motorcycle. You know, pull this thing out after the whole winter, starts immediately, it idles great, runs perfectly. I've never in 12 years even had to adjust the valves. I'm sure I should, but when it works so well, why? That's all for now.